Close your eyes for a moment. Breathe in deeply and let it out slowly. Now think about your life, the journey that brought you here. Memories rise like waves, moments of joy, laughter with loved ones, quiet sunsets, triumphs both big and small. But perhaps there are other memories too. Regrets, heartbreaks, mistakes, words left unsaid or said too harshly. The past holds both light and shadow, and yet we carry it all like stones in our pockets. We walk forward, weighed down by what has already happened. But what if I told you that the healthiest thing you can do for your future is to let go? Not forget entirely, for memory teaches us, but release the grip the past has on your present. Forgetting the past doesn't mean erasing it. It means choosing not to be ruled by it. It means understanding that yesterday's pain does not have to define today's peace. That one failure doesn't cancel out tomorrow's potential. That someone else's actions don't get to live rent-free in your mind forever. The past is a teacher, not a jailer. When we dwell too long on what was, we steal time and energy from what can be. We miss the sunrise because we're still staring at last night's storm clouds. But the future is unwritten. It's soft clay in your hands, waiting to be shaped. Every morning is a blank page. Every decision, every breath, every act of courage or kindness adds a sentence to the story still unfolding. To think about the future isn't to ignore reality. It's to engage with hope, to plant seeds even when the ground feels barren, to believe that growth is possible even after winter. Forgiveness of yourself, of others, is one of the most powerful tools of letting go. When you forgive, you aren't saying what happened was okay. You're saying, I refuse to let it control me anymore. And from that release comes space. Space for dreams, for healing, for new beginnings. So ask yourself, what am I holding on to that no longer serves me? Is it guilt from a choice made years ago? A relationship that ended? A dream that didn't come true? Place it gently down. You don't need to carry it to move forward. The future doesn't demand perfection, only presence. It asks only that you show up as you are, ready to try again. And so, step into tomorrow with lighter feet. Let yesterday inform you, not imprison you. Let your scars remind you of survival, not limit your strength. Let your heart remember, but not remain stuck. Because the best is not behind you, it's ahead. Your future is calling, and it begins now. Take another breath. Open your eyes. The past is behind you. The future is yours to create. Begin.